Imagine launching a daily newsletter that always has fresh, trending content, curated and summarized for your audience, all while you focus on other tasks. Before AI, this meant hours of manual research, reading, writing, and formatting every single day. You'd spend 3 to 4 hours just to find and synthesize relevant news. Now, you can achieve the same, if not better, results in just 15 minutes. This workflow researches 50 news articles, summarizes the best ones, and prepares your newsletter for publishing, saving you potentially 15 to 20 hours a week. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully automated system to build your own AI newsletter empire.
The core challenge for any newsletter creator is consistent, high-quality content. Manually sifting through news sources like Hacker News for trending discussions, or YouTube for popular videos, is incredibly time-consuming. You're constantly battling information overload, trying to identify what's truly relevant to your audience. This manual approach is not only inefficient but also limits your ability to scale. Your newsletter growth is directly tied to the hours you can personally invest.
But with AI, this changes everything. We're going to build a system that acts as your personal content scout, identifying hot topics and even drafting content for you. It's about shifting from being a content laborer to a content strategist. You'll move from spending hours on research and writing to just minutes reviewing and refining. This isn't about replacing your voice, but augmenting your efficiency and reach.
Our first step is setting up a robust content pipeline. This is where we gather raw information from various sources. Instead of manually visiting dozens of websites, we'll use an RSS feed aggregator. For this, Feedzy RSS Feeds is an excellent choice. It's a WordPress plugin, but the principles apply to any RSS reader or automation tool you might use.
Feedzy RSS Feeds is a powerful content curation tool. It allows you to import multiple RSS feeds, filter content by keywords, and even display it directly on your website. It's perfect for website owners and content creators who need to pull external content reliably. A freemium model means you can start without upfront cost, and its main features include importing multiple feeds, keyword filtering, and content templating.
Here's how you set it up. First, install and activate the Feedzy RSS Feeds plugin on your WordPress site. Navigate to the Feedzy settings. Now, identify your content sources. For example, to track trending tech news, you'd add the RSS feed for Hacker News's front page. You can find this by searching for Hacker News RSS or similar. For YouTube, many channels offer RSS feeds, or you can use third-party tools to generate them. Input these URLs into Feedzy. The key here is to use its keyword filtering. If your newsletter is about AI productivity tools, you'd set filters to only pull articles containing those keywords. This immediately cuts down the noise, ensuring you're only working with relevant content. This step alone can reduce your initial research time by 80%.
Once Feedzy has aggregated the relevant articles, the next crucial step is automating summarization and headline generation. This is where AI truly shines, transforming raw links into digestible content. For this, we'll use Copy.ai, a versatile AI writing tool.
Copy.ai is an AI writing and content generation powerhouse. It can produce blog posts, social media copy, and even rewrite existing text using advanced AI models. It's ideal for marketers, content creators, and businesses needing quick, high-quality written content. Its freemium tier offers a great starting point, and its standout features include a blog post wizard, social media copy generation, and a robust rewriting tool.
Here's the workflow. Once Feedzy has identified articles, you'll feed the URLs or even the full text into Copy.ai. Copy.ai has a content rewriter or blog post wizard that can take a long article and condense it into a concise summary. Set the prompt to summarize this article into 3 key bullet points for a newsletter or write a compelling, click-worthy headline for this article. The before scenario would be reading each article, manually extracting key points, and then brainstorming headlines. This could take 5 to 10 minutes per article. With Copy.ai, you paste the link or text, and within seconds, you have a summary and multiple headline options. This saves you hours daily, allowing you to process dozens of articles in the time it used to take for just a few.
Copy.ai's strength lies in its ability to quickly generate multiple variations, which is invaluable for testing different angles for your newsletter. A common limitation, however, is that while it's excellent at generating, it sometimes lacks the nuanced understanding of a human editor. Always do a quick human review to ensure tone and accuracy, especially for sensitive topics. But for sheer speed and volume, it's unparalleled.
The final step is to schedule and publish your AI-curated newsletter. Having great content is one thing, getting it to your audience consistently is another. This is where an email marketing platform like ConvertKit comes in.
ConvertKit is an email marketing and audience building platform specifically designed for creators. It empowers bloggers, podcasters, YouTubers, and online creators to connect with their audience, send targeted emails, and sell digital products. It offers a generous freemium plan and features robust email automation, landing page builders, and advanced subscriber segmentation.
Integrate your summarized content from Copy.ai into ConvertKit. You can set up an automated email sequence or a weekly broadcast. Create a template for your newsletter in ConvertKit. Then, simply copy-paste the AI-generated headlines and summaries into your email draft. ConvertKit's automation features allow you to schedule these emails to go out at specific times, ensuring consistent delivery. Before, you'd be manually drafting each email, formatting it, and then scheduling it. This part of the process, especially formatting and scheduling, could easily take an hour. With ConvertKit and AI-generated content, you just need to drop in the summaries, review, and hit schedule, reducing this to mere minutes.
ConvertKit's strength is its creator-friendly interface and powerful automation rules. You can segment your audience based on their interests, ensuring they receive the most relevant AI-curated content. For example, if Feedzy identifies a lot of news about AI in marketing, you can send that specific content only to subscribers interested in marketing. A pro tip: use ConvertKit's A/B testing for subject lines. Let Copy.ai generate 2 to 3 options, test them in ConvertKit, and learn what resonates best with your audience. This feedback loop helps you refine your AI prompts over time.
To recap, we've transformed a multi-hour daily task into a 15-minute workflow. You're using Feedzy to intelligently gather raw content, Copy.ai to instantly summarize and craft compelling headlines, and ConvertKit to automate delivery and build your audience. This entire system allows you to launch and scale a professional newsletter with minimal effort, freeing up your time to focus on strategy and growth.
The new AI superpowers are focus and follow-through. This workflow embodies that, giving you the tools to consistently deliver value without getting bogged down in manual labor. The market shows active interest in AI tools that enhance productivity, and this strategy directly addresses that need, allowing you to tap into monetization opportunities through sponsorships, premium content, or affiliate links within your consistently updated newsletter.
This workflow isn't just about saving time. It's about building a sustainable, scalable business. By leveraging these AI tools, you can maintain a high-quality, high-frequency newsletter that keeps your audience engaged and growing. The potential for monetization is significant, as a consistent and valuable newsletter attracts advertisers and premium subscribers.
Ready to launch your own AI newsletter empire? Start by setting up your Feedzy feeds, experimenting with Copy.ai for summarization, and building your first email sequence in ConvertKit. Don't forget to subscribe for more breakdowns of the latest AI tools and workflows that can transform your productivity and business. What's the biggest challenge you face in your content creation? Let me know in the comments below.